Good evening. A Scottish company is at the centre of a criminal investigation after a backlog of clinical waste, including body parts, built up at 5 of its depots in England. Enforcement actions being taken against Healthcare Environmental Services, which is based in Lanarkshire. The company has blamed a shortage of high-temperature incinerators in the UK. David Cowan reports.
Earlier this year, Healthcare Environmental Services received a royal seal of approval, Princess Anne officially opening their new waste-to-energy plant in Lanarkshire. 6 months on, the company is at the centre of a criminal investigation. England's Environment Agency says the firm's in breach of its permits at 5 sites which deal with clinical waste, including this depot in West Yorkshire. There's no risk to the public, but enforcement action is being taken. The company, headquartered at Shotts, removes waste from a significant number of hospitals in England. Contingency plans have been put in place. Up until now, Healthcare Environmental Services has been a success story. Founded in the 1990s, it had a turnover of £31 million last year, up 18%, thanks mainly to expansion in the northeast of England. In Scotland, the company collects waste from every hospital, GP, dentist and pharmacy. When the backlog in England came to light this summer, the Scottish Environment Protection Agency inspected the firm's plants in Shotts and Dundee.
On the back of that, we have issued enforcement notices on the 12th of September, and the company has completed the first set of actions on the back of those enforcement notices. So we're continuing to robustly regulate them. And just to be clear, there's no issue at either site, and they're operating within the storage capacity that's allowed.
SEPA says the firm sends anatomical and dangerous waste from Scotland to England because the incinerators required to dispose of it don't exist on this side of the border. The company declined requests for interviews but said in a statement that all waste is contained and processed within licensed facilities in full cooperation with the authorities. The firm says it's been complaining that the UK doesn't have enough incinerators since 2015 and claims the contingency plans drawn up in England could be a major risk to public health if they're put into action, fighting talk from a business now under huge pressure. David Cowan reporting Scotland, Shotts.